this situation seems to be playing out along political lines, like very polarizing, like you mentioned. How have you observed a shift in trust towards public health agencies among different political groups since Secretary Kennedy took office?
That's a great question, Natasha, and it's really interesting. There's some new data that came out from the health policy think tank KFF on this question recently, and found that Republican trust in public health agencies has actually increased significantly since Secretary Kennedy took office. Now, you have to keep in mind that this falls into the context of the post-COVID world where Republicans are the ones who are mainly struggling with vaccine hesitancy, vaccine skepticism, and vaccine that more hardline anti-vaccine stance among a select few. But Republican trust has been bolstered since Secretary Kennedy took office. Trust in the CDC among Republicans has increased by 11% from 2023 to 2025. That's now roughly half of Republicans say that they trust the CDC's recommendations on vaccines. And similarly for the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, that's up 10% during that same 2023 to 2025 time period. So again, roughly half of Republicans. Now, Democrats, on the other hand, have lost significant trust in the public health agencies, but they're still higher overall than Republicans. Trust among Democrats in for both the CDC and the FDA fell by about 10% over the past 2 years. So roughly 70% of Democrats say they'll support those public health institutions.